Today, let me show you how to add custom posts in your WordPress. Custom post is a new post-duplicated WordPress default post. When we creating a website, sometimes we have to create a completely new type of post. Programmatically, WordPress user is also a custom post. WooCommerce product is a custom post as well. Let's install a plugin. Click the Add New button. Search for Custom Post Type UI. Install and activate it. After installation, go to Add Edit Post Types menu. Fill out post type slug. It will be included in the URL, so please make it with SEO in mind. Let me make it coffee. Labels are title, the singular label recommended same as the slug. Click the Add Post Type button. As you can see, I have made a new post called Coffee under Comments. Go to Coffee, a custom post that looks the same as the default post has been registered successfully. But the columns are different. Let's make it the same as default post. Let's create a sample post. Click the Add New button. It looks exactly like the default post. Be sure to check front-end side by clicking the View page. You can check the URL. It consists of the coffee and the post name added as a post slug. Go back to the Add Edit Post Type menu in the CPT UI. Click the Edit Post Types tab. Skip Basic Setting and Label. Go to Settings. Many options are there. Let me introduce a few key options. The Show in Menu option is to set whether to show in the WordPress admin menu. To hide the currently added coffee post, change it to false. Then the menu disappeared. To show it, just change it back to true. You can change the icon on the left side of the menu. You can also replace icons with images. In Supports, we can set the columns to be displayed in the menu. Let's check on the excerpt, comments, revisions, and authors. Oops, I need to change the menu icon back to an icon. Let's go to the coffee menu and check it out. Compared to the post menu, it is the same except categories and tags. Go back to the CPT UI menu. In taxonomies, check on categories and tags. Check again, it looks exactly same as the default post now. In this process, the key point is, when we set like this, the coffee post and default post share the categories and tags. Is it possible to make an independent category and tag for the coffee post? Yes, you can. Let me show you how to make it. Uncheck the WP Core category and tags. Then go to the second menu, Add Edit Taxonomies. Enter a taxonomy slug. It is a name of category. Let me set it region. And check coffee as the post that this category will be used for. Click the Add Taxonomy button. Go back to the post settings screen. Region is added to taxonomies. Check on and save. And you need to change the Show Admin column to true on the taxonomy settings screen. Let's add some categories to the region category. Africa, America, Asia, for example. Let's add a post. Make it visible in Quick Edit. Change the Show and Quick Bulk Edit panel option to True. Region was also added in Quick Edit. Let's add Africa. In the Region category menu, it shows the number of posts belonging to this category is now 1. Additionally, let me show you how to add custom fields on your custom post type post. A custom field means what we need to create in addition to the default fields provided by WordPress. Many people were curious about it in the comments. It's one of the essential features to customize a custom post. Search for ACF on the plugin installation screen. Install and activate it. Click the Add New button to add a field. Let me name the group Coffee Taste in ASD some fields. Click the Add Field button at the bottom. Each click adds one. Let me add one image field. When you have finished adding fields, check once again that the post is set to coffee in the location. Publish it. Go to the coffee post edit. Fill in the data in the custom fields you added. Finally, check the front end. As you can see, unfortunately, front-end posts do not show custom fields. Adding custom fields is free, show it on the front end is not free. If you are an advanced user, you can add some code for the front-end output. Try it, it's not so difficult. Another option is buy the Pro version. If you have an Elementor Pro as well, it's the best combination. I think that you can configure the screen whatever you want. In case of Elementor Pro version, a post will be added in the template type. You can configure and use a custom post template.